What's up guys, Paul here from metalmakershop.com. Appreciate you guys watching all the videos. I've had a few of you guys send me some emails and making some comments on some of the videos of curious, how do you change it from metric to imperial? I know a lot of these guys like myself, you guys are using the imperial system, not using the metric system. So I'm going to show you real quick how to change that. It's super simple. Once you got your CypCut program up here for your boss laser, over the top left you'll see some tabs here. We're going to go over to the view tab, and you're going to click on that, and if you go over here to the right you'll see unit, so go ahead and hit unit, and then you're going to change it from metric to imperial. So go ahead and click that. It's going to ask you to restart the program after that, so go ahead and do that. So we'll hit OK, we'll close out the program, and then we'll do a restart on it. Okay, after your program has restarted, if you go back under that view tab and you go over to unit, you'll see that imperial is checked. So now your program's been changed from metric to imperial. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the home tab and then go over to your far right under layers, and this is where all your current laser settings are. In this case 16 gauge aluminum, and what we're going to do is we're going to go up to global parameter, and if you go down here on the bottom left where it says unit, this is where you can change everything into something you might be more familiar with. Instead of inches per second, you might want inches per minute, which I'm personally more familiar with. So you can do milliseconds, seconds, or minutes. We'll change in this case minutes. Speed per unit, I don't want inches per second, I want inches per minute. And acceleration unit, you can leave it as it is. And then your pressure units, you can do bar or PSI. I'm going to do PSI. And after those have been checked, we'll go back up to layer, and you'll notice that now our cut speeds are 499 inches per minute, and your gas pressure has been changed to PSI. And that's really about it. So hopefully that helps you out. If you got any questions, make a comment on one of the videos, or this one in particular, or shoot me an email over at paul@metalmakershop.com. So good luck guys, hope this works.